Hey guys, so I was cleaning out my closet yesterday and I remembered when I found my big ice cream cone. I'll show you what's inside in a second. Um, we can do coin polishing. I know in our classroom we worked on pennies, but look what we have this big ice cream cone in our house and I put all my loose change in it, and when it gets to the top, we take it to the bank to see how much money we have. So I thought it'd be fun if I took a couple coins from my ice cream cone and a little penny polishing or coin polishing. Now at your house, you may not have all the things we have in our classroom, and that's okay. So we're just gonna do the best that we can. We do need some coins. We need some sort of bowl to put the coins in and to use to polish. It doesn't have to look like mine. I have our thing from the classroom with the eyedropper to drop 3 drops of solution, which is white vinegar and water mixed together. I have my Q-tip, but I was thinking if you don't have the eyedropper, which is fine, you could use a little bowl, have mom or dad, or maybe even you could mix a little bit of white vinegar in there, okay? And we can use a cotton ball to polish. I'll show you it both ways. So I have my penny. I'm going to put my penny on this side, and I'm going to put my 3 drops on this side. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take my Q-tip. I'm going to dip my Q-tip into my polishing solution. I'm going to polish my penny. I want to make sure it gets very shiny. Now, I tried to record this lesson outside, but somebody wanted to be a part of it. Lucy. She was barking too much. But you could take this outside, put a beautiful tablecloth or a placemat outside on a table, and just polish. It's so important to get outside when this weather is gorgeous. So I'm going to take my little towel. You probably don't have a polishing rag at home, but it could be a hand towel, a paper towel. It could even be a sponge. You could even dry it off with a sponge, excuse me. So this penny is done. Now I'll show you how to do it with just a little bowl of the solution and a cotton ball. So I'm going to dip my cotton ball into my bowl, and I'll give it a little squeeze. I don't want it super wet. And I can do the same thing. I'm going to take my penny. Oh, there she goes, guys. Lucy wants to be a part of everything. I'm really going to polish my penny. I can dry it off with my towel, or I could wipe it off with my sponge. And I'm going to put these 2 beautiful, shiny pennies back in my ice cream cone. Have a good day, guys.